So we actually arrived here to Svenska Saabklubben. We were just over there at Nevs, and this is the technical development. And inside here is the sellout from the new offices of the Swedish Saab Club, at least one of the new offices. And we found Sven that I was talking about at Nevs, and I thought I have to show you. Welcome. This is Sven. He actually he has on registration. It's REU29S, and it's kind of a cool car. You see, I think he's pimped it in a cool way because he has should have the tow hitch bar on the front inserted maybe, but it's kind of cool. And this is also an electric Saab 9.3, and this one is kind of special. I mean, this really represents what could have been Saab. You also see the e-power thing here. This is the one I was telling about the former video with Marcus. This was made with the Saab logo also, and they also made it with the e-power logo. And with the Saab logo, they look fantastic. I still have some pictures of it, so we can make it again because they elevated the hood a little bit for the safety reasons of pedestrians. Also, check out the rims. It's difficult to film inside, but the interior is super nice. He has the old Saab Scania logo, kind of cool. And if we check in the rear, you will see why it's named Sven. It's cool. It's cool, right? How do you change name of a car that's called Nevs? Yeah, you call it Sven, of course. He was another Saabian. He has bought a lot of Saab parts, I guess. So this was the Sven I was talking about. So let's head inside. So it's a bit of a walk from the parking lot, but now we have arrived to the Swedish Saab Club's new premises. And they also have actually have a 94X exhibited there and some Saab parts for sale. So let's go in and take a look here. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice.
Am I on your video now?
Yeah. The thing is that this is the.
Hey, hello.
If you want to grab the microphone, maybe.
Oh my
because
goodness.
you meet me, you have to be on film now because I'm doing the grand tour now.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah, so we've been to Nevs and now we're here and then we go to the Saab Museum.
Wonderful.
So now you're a movie star.
Yeah. My signatures are very expensive.
Our budget is almost zero, so it's really bad. But nice to see you here.
Yeah, good to see you. I saw your car already with the bike on top.
Yeah, that's
the
us.
green frog behind the wheel.
Yeah, that's Günther.
Okay.
Günther Kassenfrost is very famous in Germany.
Okay.
So but not for maybe anyone else, I think. Or even in Bavaria, we heard last night they don't even know about Janos. So it's kind of strange, but yeah. So I just go ahead and take the little tour, and maybe I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
So we can talk some more if you're still here.
Yeah, probably. Yes, I think so. As long as it's dry.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows?
At least for 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's a terrible.
Yeah.
Last weekend we were here, it was like 30 degrees Celsius. I mean, so it was fantastic.
But we bought some leaflets, some old leaflets.
Ooh,
They were.
What was it?
They were cheap, 50 krona for 10 pieces. And
ooh,
yeah,
very
some
nice.
Crazy stuff. Yeah.
This color is almost modern again.
Yeah.
I mean, all old stuff gets modern once in a while.
Retro,
Yeah.
It will be built in Trollhättan soon.
Oh, yeah, we hope so. We hope so. In an electric version, maybe.
Yeah.
But super cool to meet you, and maybe I see you guys in just a short while.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, take care.
Thank you. Hello, you want to be a part of the video also? And this is your friend?
Yes.
Your taxi driver?
This is my current taxi driver. Yes.
Thank you for supporting me. And
You're welcome.
What have you found? Some kind of Hirsch?
Yeah, we bought some Griffin stuff. I mean, this is the 2012 model year cubic dashboard trim. And we also have the titanium one, and here is some Hirsch stuff, so some good stuff.
Really nice stuff.
Sweet goodies.
The only problem is what car to put it on.
Yeah, that's the question.
This is already decided. This was the easy part.
Uh-huh.
So
cool.
We don't have 20 cars. I'm not having 20 cars as Peter. Yes,
Yes.
You only have 6?
5.
Only 5. That's more normal, I think.
Long way to go, Tomasz.
Yes, it's a challenge in front of me still.
Yeah. And I heard, I'm sorry to harass you, but you have a GPS on every car so you can, keep track of them if they're towed away or something. If they're stolen.
I'm still young. I should remember them. So no GPS currently. So I just go from time to time to check where is which, and sometimes exchange them between each other so they don't stand a long time in the same place.
Yeah, that's perfect. And actually, Mr. Rusniak, also our neighbor here at the Trollhättan Bed and Breakfast. So it's kind of cool.
Yeah. So what is the chance, right?
Yeah, it's crazy.
You sleep next to Marcus.
Yeah, that sounds awful. But nice to see you, and we see you soon again, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for starring in the video.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care now. See you later. These are the lists for the Saab 9 Free sedan. They're really cool. I love them. Brand new, made in Germany also. Tjena, you don't have for the sport combi, maybe? No? Oh, shit. How much is this?
1500.
Oh, a really good price, I think. And brand new. Maybe I have to come back later. Thank you so much. Oh, let's take the next stop. Ooh. Many nice parts here. You can see. This T-shirt is really nice. This is ESQS selling a lot of stuff. The fighting spirit of Saab. Ooh, that's a nice one. We have some rear lights for the 95 new generation, and the old Saab original bags. Pretty cool, right? And you can buy the Nev's original LED headlight for 8,990 crowns. There's one brand new pair and one slightly used. And this one have the Nev's logo on the side. He has a lot of parts here.
Kör upp här.
And ESQS does these custom rims for cars. I'll show you some. And he delivers worldwide. And they're really cool. Wow, and you can see what was the original rim and totally customized. Really nice. He also has on his Tesla, you saw Sven outside. This is the Sven cousin with the ESQS logo on it and the Tesla brand. So they look really nice on the 9.3. I think it's slightly different, but still it's really cool. A company car, custom made wheels. So if you want a custom made wheel for your Saab and you want to be unique, one of a kind, maybe you have different wheels on left and right, this is really the company to buy it from. You also have a very interesting company that also has many former Saab employees, Techroi, prototype shop. So I think they're also inside here, but I think we will have problem visiting them because they work with some secret stuff, that we cannot disclose. The red one, also really sexy rims. You have a Saab Heritage from Paris. Looking at also the rims, we met them yesterday. Really nice guys. Also, I have bought from ESQS 2 wall posters of the Saab 95 original posters from Saab. Really cool. It's super expensive. Sadly, you know, the Saab account this month is, yeah, it's way gone. It's way gone. I cannot buy any more Saab parts, sadly, but it's cool. I go and check them out later. We should do a little tour here from Mannes also. If you're not from Europe, you've probably seen these cars. You know, they're pretty cool. This is the Edna, special made car transporter. I mean, how is this, you know, if you have a Saab garage and you have such a car, I mean, it's fantastic, right? I mean, how can you have a better car? We have to go around. You can also see, oh, I haven't seen this one. The logo, Solstad bil with the Saab front. That's crazy cool, right? Imagine calling for Saab assistance and there is a Saab coming to pick you up. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Now we're going to go inside. Shit, I hate talking inside, you know, my English sucks, but we try. See if we see any famous Saab people here, maybe. Hello, nice to see you. You already see a famous person here, Henrik. He does a lot of specialty works. He also has some LED bars for sale. Now we can see him working here. Maybe we return to Henrik before we exit. We can see what he does inside. He has a new future for the Saab 95 new generation. So we check it out. Oh my God. How's it going today? Is it going good or?
Yes. Very good day.
Have you sold anything yet or? Yeah, that's good for the Saab Club, right? Perfect. Tack så mycket. See an old model of the OG 95 Sport Combi. One way. You can buy a hood for the 95 new generation for 7,000. Oh, here we have actually Christoph from Gießen. Nice to see you, Christoph. Hello. You get a hug also. Yes. Really nice to see you. I just catch up a little video and maybe wifey can entertain you for a while. and I'll be back. Okay. Yeah. He comes with a Saab 9000 from Gießen, Germany. So he drives here. He was also here on the last Saab Festival and yeah, he's a super nice guy. Mostly the parts here are newer generation, but I think it's down to Saab 9000. Lots of Saab porn. If you buy 10 of them, it costs like €5 or $5. So it's not that expensive. Can look really cool in an old Saab style jacket. So this was just a short little tour of the Swedish Saab Club here in Trollhättan and the new premises. So now we're going to head out to the Saab Museum and Innovator.